So now, as you can see, I have already installed the L bracket inverted like I talked about against the wall because it is a sloped wall, and then put the other one up against it to create the surface for the track to run down. Now I screwed the track in slightly at a little bit of a slope just to give it a little bit more give, because if you do it basically right up against this, it's going to pitch it at a funny angle. So I screwed in kind of at an angle this way to help keep it up off the track a little bit, the L bracket I mean. But as you can see, it is a pitched wall. So you've got a flat surface here, and this goes at a slope up against. But the shade operates completely fine. I've already caulked it in as well. This is just a normal column with a normal shape.